ఆర్వీఆర్ కాలేజ్ మేనేజ్మెంట్కి, స్టాఫ్కి, స్టూడెంట్స్ అందరికీ నా నమస్కారములు. I am Professor C.H. Ganapati Reddy, working in G. Narayanamma Institute of Technology and Science for Women since last 20 years in EC department. I am proud alumni of RVR and JC College, Guntur. I am first batch student of this college, passed out in 89. Even though we are in first batch students of that college, management and staff taken all possible precautions to provide a quality education. All that particular batch students came out from the college without any problems. Now, if I see, I attended so many alumni meetings in RVR college and some of the outside also. Whenever I attend these meetings, I saw tremendous changes in infrastructurally and some development I used to observe. These developments are possible just because of excellent management. Whatever revenue they got from the student fees, they reinvested again and again, and they developed the college infrastructurally, huge buildings, AC seminar halls, AC laboratories, excellent research facilities, huge library, excellent transport facility, high-end internet facility, and so many computer centers and etc. These are some of the few I am quoting. So when you are studying in that such a excellent environment college is providing, when so many facilities college is providing, my sincere appeal to all the students is use those facilities. Whatever facilities are, library is not just for a show purpose. Students should go and refer all the books. College is providing internet facilities. Through net you will get lot of information and actively involve in all the research centers. And then excellent placements will come. If you are all getting good jobs, your parents will be happy, management will be happy, staff will be happy, and your career is settled excellently. And this college is also accredited by so many committees. It can be National Accreditation Board, or it can be ISO, it can be NAC. So all these committees already recognized the quality of RVR and JC College. It's a number one best institutes. I always proud to say that I am alumni of RVR College. When I say that, my value is multiplying. They think, oh, such a good college he came out. And another point which I want to tell before you all is, college also started YouTube channel and Instagram, Facebook and LinkedIn. So all the students who are studying or passed out, please subscribe these social networks so that you will get the regular updates. Who got the prize, who got the better job, what is the package, what is going on, how seniors got successful. So this kind of updates you will be getting, you will be motivated so that you will work hard, you will get benefits maximum extent. Recently I also started one YouTube channel. I uploaded network theory videos. All these videos are useful for EEE and EC students, second year, third year, fourth year, and those who are planning for GATE or IES, go through all the videos without joining any institute. If you just go through those videos, and you will get wonderful knowledge. Any exam, any question, easily you can answer. I taught this subject more than 500 times, so my experience should not go waste. And during this pandemic time, students are not having money to join any institutes. So all of you go through these videos which are free, all of you go through whenever you are free. And I am also presently uploading control system videos this semester. In future, signals and system, digital signal processing, some of the day-to-day burning topics, and career planning, and my experiences also. So these things I am going to upload regularly in my YouTube channel. Channel name is CH Ganapati Reddy. So you subscribe and activate the bell icon. You will get notifications regularly. So at the end, all the students, please work hard, make use of all the facilities available in this college. At the end, I wish all of you will grow in an excellent direction under our legend leadership of Dr. A. Sudhakar sir. He knows everything, and all students, I wish all the students will get maximum benefit from this college under the leadership of Dr. A. Sudhakar sir. And thank you very much. Wish you all the best.